Thank you.
Who are you and what do you do?
So I'm Justin Bushko, principal of Concise Engineering, and we help develop medical devices for all stages of companies, startups and large tier companies.
So I've heard that story before. Design and development firm. Why would I hire you?
So we can basically take your product from early stages, QMS, reg strategy, all the way through electrical and mechanical development, electrical safety testing, V&V, out the door to 510K PMA. And we do this by focusing on experts that we have in the industry. So we're not going to take our standard team and apply it to you. We provide a custom solution, and we find the experts that you need in order to succeed.
You mentioned team. There are companies that have dozens or hundreds of employees doing this, and I believe you are an independent with 1099s?
Correct. Yeah, we build the team based on your needs. So we have anywhere from 5 to 30 different contractors that we'll use on a regular basis, and I have partners in other realms that we can bring on for specific applications. So very strong mechanical, electrical, software background, as well as compliance for risk management, usability, and electrical product safety. So
I wouldn't presume that you compete on price, but does your leaner structure allow you to have a more affordable approach for a startup, say, versus a big company?
Yeah, from a design firm perspective, if you're going with a bigger firm, they're usually looking to utilize the team that they have on site. So they're putting more FTEs on your project, where I'm able to take the structure of refining that down to what's actually needed by those experts. So it could be 5 hours here, 10 hours there, and still get you the caliber of person that you need on the team, where you may not have the ability to get that with the larger firms.
As a 10X alumnus, you and I have had conversations before. I know you worked at Smith & Nephew. Is osteo your expertise, or does it cross many different disciplines?
Yeah, so my expertise and my team, we cover quite a few things. So we've done a lot of sports medicine, so knee, hip, shoulder surgery, pretty much anything that goes into those areas. We have experience in dialysis machines, AEDs, insulin pumps, and then sports medicine implants as well.
Before we got on camera, you told me a story about someone in a oh my gosh situation where they plopped you into a team and you needed to do some fast thinking. Can you tell us about that?
Yeah, sure. A lot of times we'll get a particular startup that's already commissioned work with various people, and then they realize they're a little bit in over their heads. They've got contracts, but they don't really know how to manage that piece of it. So one example was I stepped into where they had design and development and QA/RA staff on site or contracted, and then I basically took the program project management role, worked on rolling out requirements for inputs and planning, and took them all the way to the point where they could get a fully functional appearance model for use in bringing in more funding.
Available for hire, Justin Bushko, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Thank you.